In this video, we gonna visit Bidadi Idly, which is very famous shop in Karnataka. People from different places come to eat their idli because it's known for being a very soft and large in size. Bidadi is it's a popular dish from Bidadi, a small town located near Bangalore in the state of Karnataka, India. The story began Bidadi is rooted in the culinary tradition of Karnataka and the expertise of the local cooks. Legend has it that Bidadi Idly gained prominence during the region of Kempegowda, the founder of Bangalore. It is believed that Kempegowda, while passing through Bidadi, was served a unique and delicious variety of idli that impressed him greatly. He appreciated the idli taste, softness, and size, and it soon gained a recognition as a Bidadi Idly. What sets Bidadi Idly apart is its distinct texture and large size. The idlis are prepared using a traditional recipe that involves soaking rice and urad rod, separately grind them to a smooth batter consistency, fermenting the batter overnight and steaming it is perfection. The result is idlis that are incredible, soft, fluffy, and right. Bidadi Idly has garnered a loyal following over the years, attracting people from different parts of Karnataka and even beyond. Its reputation has spread through word of mouth, drawing locals, tourists, and food enthusiasts who specifically seek out the authentic Bidadi Idly experience. To enhance this taste and enjoy the idlis to their fullest, Bidadi Idly is typically served with a variety of accompaniment like coconut chutney, sambar, and flavorful tomato or mint chutney. Today, Bidadi Idly has become synonymous with the culinary heritage of Karnataka, representing the state's love for idlis and its rich gastronomic culture. It continues to be a must-try dish for anyone visiting the region and source of pride for the locals who have preserved and perfected this culinary gem.